everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Kuparkar. Welcome back to our daily videos. Like I said in the previous video, I've been a little busy with curating new collections, with sourcing newer and newer sarees. I'm trying to getting new patterns in Banarsis, Kanjivarams for all of you. So I'm sure this wait is going to be worth enough. And also we were doing a lot of creative content generation for all of you. We'll be coming up with new photos, videos for all of you to see the sarees nicely. So yes, the next second video for today, this one is going to be about a very different range of sarees. We are posting these Banarsi sarees for the first time. We have never posted these sarees before. It's a very beautiful range. These are tussar silk, tussar katan silk mixed sarees. These are Banarsi tussars. Very beautiful sarees with antique zari, with meenakari butta and very beautiful pallu. So I'm just going to start showing you all these sarees. These sarees have very narrow borders. टसर सिल्क आहे बनारसचं, खूप सुंदर सिल्क आहे, हाताला सॉफ्ट आहे. तुम्ही बघाल तर बिलकुल फुलत नाहीत साड्या, छान ड्रेप होतात. आणि आम्हाला बऱ्याच जणांनी विचारलं की बनारसी साडीज मोठ्या बॉर्डर्समध्येच आहेत तुमच्याकडे, छोट्या बॉर्डर्समध्ये काही नाही आहे का, नाजूक बॉर्डर्समध्ये नाही आहे का. सो येस, दिस इज द कलेक्शन फॉर दोज हू आस्क्ड फॉर delicate bordered Banarsi sarees, not the usual broad bordered ones. So let's begin. Remember, all these sarees are in tussars. These are not katan silk, only silk sarees, and they come in antique zari. So these are handloom antique zari sarees. There will be some irregularity in the sarees. Sorry, Ata better. There will be some irregularity in the sarees. So make sure you understand that. Okay, so yes, this is the first one, a very beautiful fresh pink color. Okay, there are no contrast borders as such. They have nice small borders, meenakari butta. This is the beautiful blouse in antique zari, sorry, the pallu, and the blouse is also in brocades. So a very beautiful stunning blouse. This is the blouse. So the beauty of these sarees lies in the magnificent pallu and blouse. Remember, this saree, when it comes with a brocade blouse, it will get that grand look and feel. So yes, this is the first one. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Price क्या है? इधर check कर, 13 ना? Sorry, the video got cut. So this is the next one. The price of all these sarees is 13,000. A very beautiful range. These are tussar sarees. Now this one is a beautiful peacock color. Okay, a very beautiful peacock. I'm just going to move the saree so that you understand the green and blue effect in the saree, and just look at the stunning meenakari on the butta. So it has this beautiful parrot green and orange color in the meenakari, which looks very stunning. The colors in the butta complement very well with the colors in the pallu. Okay, so they are very nice and complementing. This is the stunning pallu. Remember, all these sarees are in antique zari, so they look very gorgeous. They are not the typical golden zari borders. And this is the blouse. So imagine this saree with this colored blouse. It will look very beautiful. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of all sarees in this video is the same. Now this is the next one, a very pretty rust mustard mix kind of a color, orangish mustard color I would call this. Beautiful shade. This color barabar. We can maybe show you the color in photos later. Atta distoy thoda better. Okay, it's a nice mustard, orangish mustard color. I would say it has a beautiful pink and green meenakari in its butta. Nice delicate border in antique zari, and this is the contrast pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. This is the blouse. Very beautiful. It's a beautiful combination. This color will look good in the day as well as night. Remember, the price of all these sarees is 13,000 plus GST. Now the next one is a very pretty grey. It's a greenish grey color, I would say. It has a slight greenish tinge. It's not purely silver bluish grey. It has a greenish tinge. Very pretty colors in the butta. This is the saree. Just look at the fall of these sarees. It's so nice. They're so light in weight. They're not at all heavy. It has a pink colored pallu. Beautiful brocade blouse. This is the blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next saree. The next one is an electric blue. Beautiful color. I'm sure this color is going to look as electric as it is. Yeah, so it is a beautiful royal blue, electric royal blue. Stunning, stunning butta on the saree, and this is the pallu. A magenta pink colored pallu. This is the blouse. This is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a very beautiful military green, or I don't know what to call this, olive green kind of color. Beautiful color combination. Okay, a very beautiful shade of green. Again, it has meenakari butta in antique zari with bright pink and parrot green colors, and this is the stunning combination of pallu. Okay, again it comes with the exact, so pallu and blouse design is the same. That's the beauty of these sarees. So they look very, very rich when you drape them. Okay, so this is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is again a bangani color, brinjal kind of a color. Yeah, beautiful color combination. It is teamed up with blue. Now this particular saree has golden and parrot green meenakari. It looks very, very nice, and it's a close contrast. The pallu and blouse is a close contrast. It looks really, really beautiful and complementing. This is the blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. These sarees are very good gifts. These sarees are also really good if you want to make a theme in a wedding or in a pre-wedding function. If you want to, wear similar sarees, 6-7 of you, then you can go for different colors of this saree. Now this is the next one. Again, pink, but it's like a carrot pink kind of a color. A very beautiful one. Light on her. Okay, and it has a beautiful contrast blue, royal blue colored pallu. I hope you all like this. Actually, I was going to launch these sarees in a live session, but then I thought I might as well start with our daily videos first and then plan a live for all of you. So yes, this is the gorgeous blouse. This is the saree. Beautiful colors in the meenakari of the butta. Okay, I hope you've taken a screenshot. Send the screenshots to us on WhatsApp. We'll help you with the entire ordering process, and lock your orders, place your orders. We'll be happy to ship sarees to you. So yes, this was our second video of today. I'm coming up with newer videos. I'm coming up with beautiful different types of sarees. Stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you.